There are many places around the world for people to trout fish, but the number one spot that people probably mentioned, and that you probably heard a million times, is Montana. And this week, we're going to be fishing the Bighorn River.
I got your cast out. Hit it, hit it, hit it.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's good. Oh, crap. That thing's freaking hard.
Drilling in. Oh, that was a good shot. That was sweet.
Hey everybody, Steve Berry, Destinations Fly Fish. I want to welcome you to the Bighorn River Lodge. Just getting here today, right now, with my second group in the last 2 weeks. Last week was fantastic. We had a lot of good food, a lot of good fun, and a lot of great fishing. But this is just the salon area inside. You can see lots of couches, big screen TV in case there's a sporting event. We watched a crazy hockey game the other night. And as you can see off to my right, you can go out onto the deck and you can see the ponds here on the property. So just a quick peek at some of the inside, and I'll share some more with you soon.
Already the accommodations have been great. The food is top notch. It's some of the best food that you can get out in a place like this. And the next step is the fishing. So see what the fishing's gonna be like. Heard great things about it. Should be a pretty epic trip. So stay tuned to see how the fishing is and for more sweet stuff to come.
Hey everybody, Steve back with you. It's the first morning of fishing for this particular group. We're again here at the Bighorn River Lodge, Bighorn River, Fort Smith, Montana. You can see all the boats are here, all the guides are here. Everybody's getting paired up, suited up. We're getting ready for battle. We're gonna have some fun out there today. A lot of good fish on this river, and I'll get back with you and give you a report and let you know how the day went.
This is Joe. The only thing Joe likes more than his fighting Irish roots is fighting some big old fish. Him and I are going to be slaying some trout the next couple days together.
Think we're gonna get on to some fish today?
Hopefully, that's the plan anyway. Big fish.
Big
Lots of
fish.
them.
Big fish and big fish early.
Yeah.
Get on to them early and
Correct.
often.
Just get one so we're not skunked.
Exactly. I like
the
that
start.
motto. I like the motto.
This is our guide, Brandon. Brandon is a local guide for the Bighorn River. He knows many of the waters throughout Montana like the back of his hand. He'll be the captain of the boat, and when he says hit it, you better already be setting the hook.
Every spot on this river has a name so us guides can communicate. This first long stretch here is called the Probe. Probe, P-R-O-B-E, yeah. And it can fish totally different than the rest of the river just because it's coming straight off that dam. Sometimes it's fishing way better in here, you leave and you're like, damn. And other times it's not fishing in here, right? And you're like, dang, I don't know what bugs you're hitting. And then you leave and then they start eating. And then sometimes it's the same bug.
That's just fishing for you.
That's fishing, yeah. I got your cast out. Hit it, hit it, hit it.
Oh, there we go. All right. Let's go. Nice brown. First 5 minutes. It was already hooked up.
First cast.
First cast. There we go. Good work.
Someone's whole rig on a.
Brown's hungry. good.
Spicy.
Another one. After Joe landed those first 2 fish, Brandon thought it was best that I throw similar bugs to Joe, and we thought we may have exhausted our luck early on, but little did we know. This was just the start to an epic day of bobbers dropping and big fish flopping. All right, 25-inch brown, where's he at? Oh, there he is. Brown too. Oh. Oh, there it is. Yeah. He's gone. Oh yeah. Brown tan. Go. Yeah, nice fish. Another Bighorn River fish right here. It's a good fish, nice rainbow. We're catching browns and rainbows, and rainbows have been about that size so far, so we're looking to get into some browns maybe about that size, and it's a nice colored up fish. Some beautiful landscape out here with Brennan just putting us on some awesome fish, so looking to get some more and get this guy back and more fish. Oh, another one. Nice. Oh, it is. Just out in this mile, and then we just hook into a fish. Nice. Yeah. As we continued into the afternoon bite and nearing the end of the day fishing, the indicator continued to drop for some stunning trout. It turned out to be an unforgettable first day and lived up to the hype around Montana fly fishing.
Oh, that thing freaking hit that hard.
He's taking us up.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh, God, I almost missed that. Oh, there we go. Saw that thing freaking. Yeah. That's freaking fun.
At the conclusion of a memorable first day on the Bighorn, we made our way back to the lodge, hung up the waders, kicked our feet up to enjoy some beautiful lodging views and superb cooking.
This is an oven roasted Beaver Saluka pork loin, and that is topped with an apple pork belly chutney, ginger demi-glace, served on top of manchego white grits and some grilled asparagus.
With the boats docked for the evening and the sun setting, it was time to pack it in for the night and prepare for the next couple days on the water. The Bighorn River is a very unique river. It offers 26 miles of fishable water and is a blue ribbon fishery that people come from all across the country and even the world to come fish. There's about 3,000 trout per mile, which gives anglers great opportunity to hook into a bunch of trout, and the average trout in here ranges from like 15 to 20 inches. So you have the chance at hooking into a bunch of really good sized trout, and you get the chance of hooking into a 20+ inch trout as well. So it's a very unique river. The guides put you in the greatest position to get a fish and give you that opportunity to hook possibly the fish of a lifetime, and you get many chances too. So so far it's been a great trip. With a slower start to the second morning after battling high winds and the guys doing their best to get us in the best position to catch a fish, I finally managed to hook up to kick off the day and start the rally for more fish to come.
There we go. There we go. Good job. Rainbow. Looks like the bottom fly. Yeah.
Alright, first fish in the morning, day 2. Beautiful rainbow trout. A little bit of a slower start, but never a doubt that we get on them. Now we're about to hammer some more. Ooh, ready to go. Oftentimes, anglers will come here and one of the problems that they encounter is the algae or the grass that's floating through the river. But one thing that does provide is a lot of food for the fish, because within these algae and this grass that's floating in the water, there's a bunch of bugs and aquatic insects that the fish love to eat. And the two main bugs that are in here are going to be the sow bugs and the scuds. This week, that's mainly what we've been throwing is the sow bugs and the scuds. Occasionally we'll throw in some midges, but mostly it's been sow bugs that we've been catching the fish on.
Haven't seen a whole lot of fish. There we go. What the heck? It's got some nice fins on that. Pretty. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh boy, might be good now. This dude's going nuts.
That side.
They're small. There we go. Look at that there. Oh yeah. Huge. There's a fish in there. Another brown. Nice. Brownie. Can jump. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh boy. Nah, it's a fish. I feel it. Yeah. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Holy crap. That's a nice fish. Yeah, that's a nice brown. Oh yeah.
Pull over real quick.
It's a nice buck. Oh,
did you see the turn on me?
Scraping head up. Come on, come on. Yeah, that's a nice fish. There we go.
It's the kind of fish we're after. Nice brown trout, good size. Definitely 20, maybe a little bit bigger, but beautiful fish out here on the Bighorn. Hoping to get more of these, more kiped up, freaking brown trout. Pretty fish. As we concluded a slower day on the water, battling some tough winds and still hooking into some incredible fish, we still had a full platter to look forward to. Per usual, we started off with some greens to ease into a deliciously cooked quail, followed by a savory lime vanilla cinnamon panna cotta. With no better way to end the night, we all made our way back to our rooms for a final slumber before an unforgettable last day on the water. You get out here and you get the full lodge experience where you wake up, you have breakfast in the morning, you get a nice view when you have breakfast and have your morning coffee, and then you hit the river for the day. And day 3 should be probably the nicest day. We're getting a bunch of sun, hopefully a bunch of fish, and see if we can break that kind of 22 to 23 inch mark that I think has been the best so far on the trip.
Steve back with you one more time. It's our 3rd day of fishing here on the Bighorn River. You can see behind me, we're right here at the 3-mile access, getting ready to put in for the day. Yesterday was pretty harsh in the wind. The day before that was pretty tough in the wind. Today we've got bright sunshiny days. Water's looking fantastic, so we're hoping we get out there. We definitely get into some good fish and hopefully have some neat stuff to show you. But this is where it starts a lot of days, right here at the access like this. There's a few different accesses along the way. Boats put in, we go floating, we go fishing, have a good time. So we'll catch up with you this afternoon.
Oh, get him! Steve.
That thing just seemed cooperative to start and just started peeling out. Start the day, yeah.
So again, last morning here we put in a 3-mile access. There's a nice run right here in front of the ramp. Seth's got us all rigged up, and this is our second pass through and second fish on, so it's a good start to the morning. Hopefully it stays that way.
Handful.
After a couple more passes through that hole, we decided to move on and floated down the river a ways. As we hovered over more and more fish, our guide Seth found us a honey hole for slaying the mid-morning bite.
Good brown. That's a good brown, baby. Thank you. As we're getting further from Yep. Double. God. going on with these dang fish today? Yeah, cool baby. There we go. That's what we're looking for. It's the carp we want. Holy crap. Can't tell if it's a good fish or just a hard fighting rainbow. Come back now. Oh. Danny.
Fishing seems like it might be picking up a little bit. Just dropped in another bucket. Seth's got us fishing some new bugs, and so far so good. We'll see how it goes. See if we can get this guy in the net.
There he is. Nice brownie. Let's go. Oh, you're good. Freaking get out of the way.
That's a lot better fish now.
That's a pretty fish. Beautiful.
Hey everybody, Steve back with you from Destinations Fly Fish. We're still out on the Bighorn River. It's day 3, having a really good time. Sun's up today. We're catching some nice brown trout out here too. So this little guy came up, took a sow bug, and we were fortunate enough to get him in the net. So we'll keep you posted as we go along the day, and hopefully we can show you a few more fish. See you out there.
As we wrapped up the final day, we got to sit back and soak in the scenery and nature the Bighorn provides. We even got to see the famous pile of cars lined up along the river that was used to prevent erosion many years ago that locals known as the drive-in. Additionally, in our final drifts, we got to witness some of the other boats end the trip with a bang as they hooked into their final catches.
the head, reeling in. Oh, that was a good shot. That was sweet. Let's go.
The Bighorn River fishing and lodging experience is one of the best operations out there. Whether you're a beginning angler or have been fishing for years, this trip hits all what you can ask for. The food was top of the line. The guides put you in the best position to catch a fish no matter what weather you'll encounter and give you plenty of opportunities, so even if you miss a couple, you'll still catch many fish. On top of that, the travel to get there is very easy and stress-free. So overall, it is one of the most relaxing fishing trips you can have, while still having the possibility of hooking up with your personal best trout.